guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back in another video. So if Zanji or Nalia is on this video, please hit that fun button, friends, at school. If you're watching this video, any friend that's in my school, subscribe, thumbs up, because I'm ready for today. So today I had a good time. How about you guys? If you watch, I'm feeling good, very good. And you two, all fans, guys. If you know me, and Zanj and Nalia, I just posted these, the new ones. OMG design from Jamie on YouTube. And PKXD design by Jamie. Designed by Jamie. You guys, you have to. You have to. You really have to. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.